And have you ever felt like your ElevenLabs voiceovers sound robotic, flat, or just simply off? Now listen to this AI voice and see how both of them are very different.
He took a shaky breath. I can't believe you did this.
He took a shaky breath. I can't believe you did this.
So as you can see, there's a huge difference, right? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your ElevenLabs voices sound emotional, natural, and professional using three methods. The first one is script styling, second is voice settings, then last is speech control. So first, before we begin, if you want to follow this tutorial step by step, you can click on the link down in the description below. That is going to redirect you to ElevenLabs so that we are going to be on the same page. So first, let's log in. So now I am logged in, but you can use your Google, your Facebook, your GitHub, or an SSO. Even your personal email will work. So this is your dashboard. Let's go to the first thing that we need to check. So step one, you need to choose the right voice first. As you can hear in here, we have our first speaker as Rachel and Callum. So when Rachel delivers the speech, it doesn't really fit the mood of the sentence. But when Callum delivers the speech, it's way more settled, it's way more powerful, and the delivery is really in there. So how do you select the voice? So you want to go to the Voices tab on the left side of your screen, and then you can click on Create or Clone a Voice. If you want it the easy way, you can do it with the Instant Voice Clone. However, you need to pay for the starter plan. Next, you can also use the Professional Voice Clone, which makes for studio level results. And lastly, if you only have the free plan, you can always use the voice design. So you can use this to describe the voice that you want, and then when you put in the text to preview, you need to format it properly with the first method that I'm gonna teach you, and it is called script styling. So what is script styling? Script styling is actually the way you write your lines and how it directly affects how emotional your AI voice sounds. I just simply put some emphasis and some symbols in there so that ElevenLabs knows the emotional cues and it guides ElevenLabs to perform better. So you can always cut out the narrative parts later in editing. It's just like directing a voice actor, set the tone, mood, and context in the script itself. Now, the next one is use the right voice settings. So because ElevenLabs is already at 11v3 alpha version, we only have stability right here. So in stability, if stability is lower, it's more expressive but less consistent. So you want to set it around 30 to 50%. So currently it's set at 50%. Let's see what happens if I turn the slider all the way down. And then let's regenerate again, and then let's hear the difference from Rachel and Callum so that you
He took a
would know.
shifting breath. I can't believe you did this.
He took a shaky breath. I can't believe you did this.
So as you can see, it's now more expressive. The emotion is really there, and it already feels like it's human. The last method is controlling the speech. Basically, these are the emphasis and the pauses. This is where we mimic natural human pacing. So the emphasis is the all caps, as I did in here. And then the pauses, you can use ellipses like this 3 dots, or you can use a dash, a simple dash. So you can use dashes in here so that it would signify a pause. So let's try to hear it again with the ellipses because I'm more used to using the ellipses right here. And let's try to put another pause, and then let's generate so that you would hear the difference. So
He took a shaky breath. I can't believe you did this.
He took a shaky breath. I can't believe you did this.
as you can see, it's even more expressive now. So basically, those are the three methods that you should know in order for you to add emotion, to add more expression, and more of a human touch to your ElevenLabs voices. But don't just leave yet, because I still have a bonus tip for you. So you want to use small chunks for better expression. Instead of generating an entire paragraph at once, break your script into smaller pieces, one sentence at a time. 11 to give time for ElevenLabs to focus on each line. It's like working line by line with a real actor. Now, if you feel like what we're doing in here is not giving you the emotion that you're looking for, again, you can go back to the voices and you can create your custom voice using the voice design. All right? I will give you the sample. So I'm just going to copy this one in here, and then okay, so I need 100 characters. Just give me a moment right here. Okay, let's generate. Let's try to hear the difference from the text to speech. And this takes quite some time to load, because again, it still
He took a
loads the
shaky
voice.
breath. I can't believe you did this. I don't know what you mean. This can't be real. Suddenly the line has urgency and intensity.
So as you can see, it also has its own benefit, and it also has its own cons. So it's gonna be all up to you to use the voice design or the text to speech. Now, lastly, we have dubbing. So this is bonus for multilingual creators. If you're creating for international audiences, check out the dubbing studio, but it's not like 100% available for the free plan, because the starter plan has the best dubbing studio features. So you just simply upload your video, choose a language, and then ElevenLabs dubs the voice while preserving emotion and tone. And it's perfect for global YouTube creators or course creators. Now, when it comes to the pricing of ElevenLabs, excuse me, it's quite straightforward, and you could just simply check their page. So there is a free, starter, creator, and pro. So if you're just a hobbyist, you can go for the starter, for the create. If you're a content creator making premium content for global audiences, you can go for this one. That's why this is the most popular, and the pro for massive production. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are updated with our new videos every single day. This is Josh. I'm going to be seeing you on the next video.